Good morning, all of you. Now, in this, we will discuss about the partnership. What is partnership? You know, you see around us, around you, there are many shops. There are only single person who perform the activities of all the shop of the business, and as well as he contribute the capital, but he want to expand the business, he is unable because he has very limited resources, limited capital, limited labor, limited other resources, machines, tools, buildings, etc. So he joined the another person. He joined the another person. Both two or more person associated and start the business to more capital for more employees or managerial skill and more other resources. So this is known as partnership. What is the partnership? And our Indian Partnership Act 1932 tells us the partnership is the relation. Partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. It means the person. This is, there are persons, more than one person, two or more than two persons who have agreed. They always agree, make an agreement, associate each other for what? Share the profit of a business carried on by all. By all means everyone perform the activities of the business and any one of them acting for all, and every member, every partner perform the activities for the others. It means every partner is responsible for the agreement with the third parties made by any one partner. If any one partner make an agreement for the business with the third party, so all the partners has to agree to that agreement, that activities. So features of these activities, first is two or more than two person. First is two or more than two persons. There are only at least minimum two. What the minimum number? Minimum person, minimum two, and now think here, what the maximum number of the person should be in a business. So Indian Companies Act 2014 decide the maximum number of the partners 50, minimum 2 and maximum 50. Second is agreement. Agreement, both the partners make an agreement. Either it is in written or oral. Either it is in written or oral. In this agreement, all the terms and conditions of the business are written. What the sharing profit ratio, how much the capitals, what the liabilities of the partner, what the rights of the partner, which type of business should be, where it is located, all the terms and conditions is written. Third is lawful business. Lawful business. Business should be lawful. Lawful means it should not be illegal, not bound by the Constitution. Suppose two persons start the smuggling, share the profit. This type of business is not legal. This is not allowed by the Constitution. So it is not a partnership. Now full means legal business. Legal business should be there. Legal business should be there. यहाँ पर legal business होनी चाहिए. Now 4 is mutual agency. Mutual agency. Each partner is the principal. Each partner is principal as well as agent of the other partner. Carried on by all. By all means each partner is the principal and anyone acting for all, it is agent, because any one partner perform the activities for the business for other person also. So everyone here is principal as well as agent. So this is the feature. First is 2 or more than 2 persons, minimum 2 persons, maximum 50% and 50 partners. Agreement, there is an agreement. This is written or oral. Lawful business. Business should be legal, not banned by the Constitution or law of the India. Mutual agency, each partner is the principal and owner of the business as well as the agent of the business. Now today this is stop and thank you.